Hey everyone, my name is Baris from the ZenML team, and today I would like to introduce you to one of our new features, the Stack Wizard. This new feature focuses on the concept of stacks, which represent the configuration of the infrastructure that your workflows are running on. Especially in a production setting, managing these stacks can be a challenging task. In our previous video, we talked about how you can use the one-click deployment tool to create and deploy these stacks and their components from scratch. However, in this video, we will approach the same problem from a different angle and show you how you can register a ZenML stack using your existing infrastructure instead of deploying it anew. You can access the Stack Wizard either through the dashboard or through the CLI. For the sake of our demo today, I'll be focusing on the dashboard implementation. Once you're on the dashboard, the Stack Wizard is available through the Stacks page. All you have to do is to go to the Stacks page and click on New Stack. Here you'll have the option to either deploy a new stack from scratch or use existing infrastructure. Choose the second one. In its first iteration, only AWS is supported. We will release support for GCP and Azure with the upcoming releases as well. Once you select AWS, the first thing that you have to do is to select an authentication method and a name for your new stack. Depending on your preferences, the required and optional values will show up. Fill in these values and continue to the next page. From this step forward, ZenML will show you a different selection of resources that you can use from your existing infrastructure so you can create the required stack components such as an artifact store, an orchestrator, and a container registry. Once you're happy with your selection, click Finish. And there you have it. A ZenML AWS stack is ready to go. I hope you liked our demo, and if you'd like to learn more about the Stack Wizard or have any other questions, feel free to visit our docs or contact us on Slack. Thank you.